The image comparison is a no-nonsense widget that displays two images next to each other, allowing for comparison. This free Gutenberg add-on block for the WordPress editor demonstrates visual differences between two images, ideal for product comparisons, makeovers, photography, and any other situation with a before-after outcome. Let's explore this add-on from Qubely in more detail and see how it works for desktop, tablet, and mobile displays. Within the WordPress editor, click on Add Block, and then from the panel you can go to Qubely and look for Image Comparison. If you do not see it in the search box, simply type Image or Image Comparison, and you will see it. Click and select, and it will populate the area on the page. From here, you are presented with two parts, a left and a right, and this is where you will bring in the images. If you haven't uploaded any image to your media library yet, you can just simply drag and drop them from your Explorer or your Finder. In my case, I already have a few images, so I'll click here on Media Library, and then I'll select my first image, and this will be my original one, even though it says modified, and then I go to the next one and I'll click my after. And this is how it will display. Out of the box, let's update it and see how it displays on the front end, and then we can come back and make some changes to it. Grab the slider, and you can see it works perfectly. We can also test already for responsiveness. So let's see how it will display on an Apple iPad. And on an Apple iPhone X. Great, so we are confident that it works on all the device displays. Let's close this, and then we go back into the backend and see what kind of settings we have over here. Make sure that you select the block by clicking on it, and you will see up here it says Image Comparison on the side in the sidebar. Here we have styling as well as advanced features such as animation interaction, but we are interested in the styling. The enabled text will give you these labels in the bottom left and bottom right corner. You can disable it over here. You can also change the text color to your preferred color and set typography over here. Change the text label text by double-clicking on it and selecting it, and then typing in your preferred text. At vertical align, you can set the text to the top, and you have more control over where it appears by changing the offset both for vertical and horizontal. And then finally, you have control here over the slider color if you want to change that. In this case, I think white works very well. If you want to upload images for Retina displays, simply do that over here. A Retina image is usually double the size of a normal image. And that is how easy it works when you come to the image comparison block from Qubely. Let's have a look at our final product here on the front end. And you can see very easy to drag the slider and look at your image comparison. The image comparison is a free block add-on for WordPress Gutenberg from Qubely. Subscribe for more tutorials, be safe, and see you around.